Hello, kids. Today we will go on a wonderful journey to discover the mysteries of the ocean. Get ready to explore the world under the blue light of seawater. Let's learn what an ocean is. An ocean is a large part of the water on Earth. It is not yet 5 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Western Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, and Antarctica. 3/4 of the Earth's surface we get covered by oceans. Atlantic Ocean regions. The Atlantic Ocean is the largest and most extensive ocean on Earth and contains diverse fish species such as whales, barbels, and white sharks. Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the world's largest ocean and has diverse coral forests and beautiful fish species. Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is famous for its rich coral life and diverse species of fish and whales. We learn about corals. Coral is a colorful living rock. When thousands of corals gather together, they form a coral forest. Coral forests provide shelter for many marine creatures and protect the coast from strong waves. The ocean plays a role in supporting the life source of humanity and all other living things on Earth. The ocean produces at least 50% of the planet's oxygen and is home to most biodiversity on Earth, and is the main source of protein for more than 1 billion people on Earth. Currently, the marine environment shows signs of pollution. Natural biodiversity resources continue to decline. Exploitation and use of marine and island resources is still ineffective and unsustainable, and people's awareness of exploitation resource usage is not high. The consumer habit of using disposable plastic products has been placing great pressure on environmental protection management. Our oceans are facing many challenges such as overfishing, pollution, and climate change. Humans are taking more from the ocean than can be compensated for. We need to act together to create a new balance for the ocean that does not deplete its resources, but instead brings it closer to restoring vibrancy and bringing new life to the ocean. Scientists have pointed out that one of the major challenges facing the ocean is plastic pollution every year. Millions of tons of plastic waste dumped into the ocean pose a significant threat to marine life. Plastic debris can trap and suffocate marine animals. When these debris break down into microplastics, they can be ingested by organisms in the food chain, including humans. Protecting and restoring coastal habitats such as mangroves, salt marshes, and seagrass beds is critical to the health and resilience of coastal ecosystems. We can help protect the oceans by keeping the environment clean, using less single-use plastic, and supporting ocean conservation organizations that participate in ocean protection activities and recycling collection. Save water and share information about the ocean with everyone around you. Thank you for listening.